everyone, welcome to this new series that we are coming up with. It is going to be like a mini vlog what goes inside this beautiful door and little processes that we take care of on site. So come on. This is the living room, this is the mandir area. So here, if you can see, the fall ceiling has been already done, the cutouts have already been done, and now we are going to start with the carpentry work in like 2 to 3 days. So if you can see, this is the TV unit which we are going to keep. There's going to be a sofa over here, a mandir over here, and a nice window net sitting over here with lots and lots of storage. So over here, once you enter from the main door, if you can see, it's directly open to all the spaces. So what we have tried is we are going to create a partition over here, which completely avoids the direct vision towards the dining space and the living. After the partition gets created, behind the partition is the dining space. This whole space is going to be used as a dining area. So in this particular space, there were a lot of civil changes in both the bathrooms. So here the plumbing work and the basic civil work has been done. The tiling has been started for the master bathroom, which I will show you right now. So if you can see, the tiling has been started and we are going to complete this master bathroom in another 2 days. This is the master bedroom. This is going to be a super compact room, but we have tried to keep it more and more open, and also the client wanted to use their old wardrobes. So we are going to change this glass partition. We are going to polish the wood and keep it as is, and this complete area will be changed: the bed, the curtains and the bed back. So over here in this kitchen, client wanted a super wide countertop and a nice survey tile. So that exactly what we have given them is a white quartz, which is in one slab. So there's no cuts, there's no joint over here. So the slab has been done, the survey tiles have been done. So the next video will be carpentry and also explaining the 3Ds that we have presented to the client and how we are achieving it on actual site.